Hi everyone. Okay, today I'm going to show you how I do my everyday roller with my own roller with just one side of my face. So you can see this side is actually bigger than the other side, right? Okay, so I'm going to start showing you how this thing can actually leave one side of my the bigger side. Let's begin. So usually you can just roll every step with just 30 seconds. I'm going to show you just one side of my face, one side. So you can actually do it even when you work from home. So now I'm actually working from home, looking at my computer. So sometimes I will just roll it whenever I feel quite tired and would like to take 5 minutes break. So we start from the neck. So this one actually targets on my fascia layer. So usually you can do it every day. You do it every day, your face feels lifted every day. This is a very comfortable process. It's like a massage. So this movement is gonna be just rolling upwards from your jawline up to near your cheekbone or your side jaw. Okay, so let's start from my laser labial fold. So this is only not to be done on the face. Actually, it can also be done on any part of the body. Like if you want to upsize your even your bust, or even to reduce the cellulites on our thighs, or to do it on the tummy or arms is also possible. Okay, let's do on the eyes. This one can do over your eyes even if your eyes feel very tired. It can be also done over the eyes just like that. It's actually quite comfortable, and then at the same time it can also make you feel more rejuvenate after that. And also lastly, just do it on the forehead, so it complete the whole thing, and then you'll feel your eyes more lifted up. Do it every day and you will feel very lifted. You can see the difference. See the cheek and the jaw.